Part 5, My Adventures with the Zipper. The red zipper I found didn't quite match, but it's an invisible zipper, so I figured people won't notice. So after pinning the first half to the back panel, I put on my zipper foot on my sewing machine and sewed the zipper on. Then the next step is to pin on the other half, but as I was following instructions and pinning it on, I realized that first half wasn't lined up properly. The top of it's supposed to line up to the collar and it comes short by about an inch. So, watch me undo all that work. It's never fun to undo your work, but sometimes you need to and you learn in the process. Hi Maya, you're in my way. So after Maya moves from the spot I was sitting in, I re-lined up that first half of the zipper, but this time I made sure the top came up to the collar correctly. And once again, I'm at the sewing machine, sewing the first half on. I'm happy I'm making 2 of these shirts, so I did this again on the white one. Practice makes perfect. Now I'm finally lining up the second half and pinning it on, and then going to the machine with the zipper foot on the other side and sewing the second half onto the shirt. And next comes sewing on the bottom section of the zipper. It's a nitpicky process and it takes a few little passes, but I've learned on another job adding a zipper to a dress that if you do it wrong, it doesn't work correctly. Like, follow, and subscribe so you don't miss part 6.